Now let's get into some real talk. It's time for story time, everyone. Why don't we just dive right on in? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So for this video, what I thought we would do is we would do some more quizzes. Now these quizzes are going to be super hard for me since I haven't done any form of this since grade 10. I want to say grade 10. And that would be science. So we're going to do some science questions today and see how well I do and see how well you do. So without further ado, why don't we just dive right on in? All right then, so element or plant genus. Can you determine whether each name is that of an element or of a plant genus? Well, let's find out. Pteridinium, isn't that a plant? Correct. Germanium, that's an element. Okay, Hassium, element. Vanadium, plant? Nope. Gallium, that's an element. Nope. Lithium, that's an element. Iridium, element. Nope. Tantalum, that's a plant. Nope. Conium, that's a plant. Yes. Delphinium, plant? Yeah. Lomatium, plant. Yes. Lutetium, plant? Nope. Rubidium, plant? Nope. Rhodium, element. Yes. Trillium, plant. Hypericum, plant. Niobium, element. Lamium, element. Nope. Hey, 11 out of 18, 61%. Pretty good. Only 10 seconds left on the timer. So I think I did pretty good with that. I'm not the best at knowing all the different plants or element genus. Plant genus or elements. But I think I did pretty good. Why don't we move on to the next one? All right, so missing letter birds. Can you match the birds to their corresponding missing letters? Well, let's find out. Ostrich, so that's a T. Okay, road, so that's a D. So we're gonna have to start at the top. A. Nope. Okay, skip the A, let's go with B then. Because you know what the thing is, it's gonna move them all. That's the problem. So we're gonna go, oh, it's a buzzard is the first one. Buzzard, don't know about that. C, don't know. That's a B, albatross. C, that would be a, nope. No. Jacana, nope. Stork, nope, that's a stork. Castlework. Okay, skip the C then. D, that would be a road runner. Then we've got a E. What the heck would dove? So dove. F, that would be a falcon. Then G, that would be a eagle. H, that would be a kingfisher. And I, quetzal, let's say. J, that's a blue jay. K, that's a, jacana? No. Castlework, we'll say. L, that's an owl. M, that's a, wait, no. Kiwi, no, never. Hawk is K. So owl is here. M. Emu. N. That would be a Janana, let's say. O. That would be a toucan. P, that's a, oh geez. I don't know what P would be. Let's say warp. Q, that's a quail. R, that's a, don't know. No, N is penguin. See, that's what happens. Quail. R, Jarana, sure. Goose, sure. Nope. Kiwi, W. Ostrich, T. Let's submit a guess. Oh, that's woodpecker. Shoot. Jacana? Yes, okay, skip this, go. Bring me down. So that's a... Shoot. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Ibis. Shoot, okay, go. Ugh, okay. Okay, I panicked near the end. But let's go through them properly then. Buzzard, albatross. Jacana, roadrunner. Dove, falcon, eagle. Kingfisher, ibis, blue jay, hawk, owl, emu, penguin. Toucan, woodpecker, quail, stork, goose, ostrich, puffin. Vireo, kiwi. Manx, shearwater. Cassowary, and a quetzal. I would have done well. It was obviously the jacana. That was giving me a hard time. Ibis would have been a hard one for me. And then I would have suffered with the vireo, the manx, the cassowary. But overall, 11 out of 26, not the best, but I will take it. Let's move on to the next quiz. Animals by top speed. Can you put the animals in order from fastest to slowest given their top speed? Let's give it a shot. All right, so what's the fastest? I'll go with cheetah. Then I want to say it's the... I want to say orca would probably be the slowest, one of the slower ones. The tuna. Tuna would be faster than an orca. Okay. Let's submit. Cheetah's not even the first one. Great. The cobra? Nope. Oh dear, oh dear. Is it the eagle? Nope. Is it the falcon? Yes. Okay. There we go. But it's not the cobra. So then it's the cheetah. Okay, not the cobra there. So we're gonna go with the eel. Nope. The polar bear? Nope. So it's the horse? Yes, okay. The cobra, the eel. No. The eel? No. Darn it! Oh well. Hey, 1 out of 10. Ouch. Not bad. So, peregrine falcon, bald eagle, cheetah, horse, reindeer, tuna, orca, polar bear, king cobra, and then the electric eel. Okay, well, good to know. Let's move on to the next one. All right, order the vast distances from shortest to longest. Great. Okay, so radius of Pluto. Okay. Distance from New York to Washington. Distance from the sun to the outer edge of the Kuiper belt. Radius of the Oort cloud. Width of the US. Radius of the moon. Distance from Earth to the moon. Oh geez. Radius of Pluto. Not even it. No, the moon must be big. Jeez. Is it, yeah, okay. So it's then this, right? Nope. Width of the US? No. No. Length of the Great Barrier Reef? No. Wonderful. Radius of the moon? Nope. A cloud. Nope. Earth to the moon? Nope. Did I do the radius of Earth? Yeah. Did I do Pluto? No. Okay. So it's Pluto. Then it's probably the distance from Earth to the moon. Then it's probably the cloud. No. Great. Is it the length of the barrier reef? No. Wonderful. I'm amazing at ordering things, apparently. So, 330 kilometers, distance from New York to Washington. 1,151, radius of Pluto. 1,700, radius of the moon. 2,300, length of the barrier reef. 4,600, width of the US. 6,300, radius of Earth. 384,100,000 is distance from Earth to the moon. 1.1 million, diameter of the sun. 150 million, distance from the sun to the Earth. 30 astronomical, distance from the sun to Neptune. 55 astronomical, distance from the sun to the outer edge of the Kuiper belt. And 400,000 astronomical, radius of the Oort cloud. Well, good to know. 0% for me. Let's move on to the next one. All right, conifer or non-nifer. Determine whether each indicated tree is a conifer. Play. Start. Teak. Conifer, non-nifer. It's a non-nifer. Ash. Non-nifer. Ebony. Non-nifer. Kauri. Conifer. Hickory. Conifer? Nope, it's a non-nifer. Podocarp. Conifer. Hemlock. Conifer. Juniper. Conifer. Mahogany. Nonifer. Pine. Pine is a conifer. Gum. Nonifer. Dogwood. Nonifer. Redwood or the sequoia. Conifer. Pinon. Nonifer. Nope, it's a conifer. Candelabra tree. It's a nonifer. Nope, it's a conifer. Cedar. Conifer. Spruce. Conifer. Elm. Nonifer. Aspen. Nonifer. Larch. Nonifer. No, it's a conifer. Buckeye. Nonifer. Cypress. Nonifer. Oh, it's a conifer. Yew. Nonifer. Nope, it's a conifer. Monkey puzzle. That's a nonifer. Cherry. That's a conifer. Nope, it's a nonifer. Eucalyptus. Nonifer. Chestnut. Conifer. Nope. Darn it. Boxwood. Conifer. Nope. Nonifer. Beech. Nonifer. And the fir conifer. Hey, 20 out of 30. Not bad. Better than the average. So I think I did pretty good there. Some of them are obviously pretty obvious, but not all of them. Why don't we move on to the next quiz? All right, grid ladder human body. Can you fill in the grid whose answers are related to the human body that also contains a built-in word ladder? Let's try. Number 1, it has 4 chambers. That is the heart. Okay, organ that produces insulin. Oh my gosh. I know it, but I'm going to skip it for now. Pair of organs that are bean-shaped. Kidneys. Mascara target. Eyeball. Latin for little brain. This is important for motor control. Skip. Outermost layer of skin. Isn't that epidermis? Don't know if I spelled that right. Humans are endothermic, also known as this, warm-blooded. These foot bones connect to the toes. Nope. Tailors typically measure this. Your waist? Right. Okay, it's telling me if they're right or not. So eyeball is wrong. So that's eyelash. Epidermis. Is that an A? No. I. Dermas. Whatever. I'll skip it for now. Another name for facial hair. Skip. This part of the brain resembles a seahorse. Skip. Cholesterol or triglyceride. Lipid. Chest muscle. Major. Oh, geez. Skip. Alternate term for testicle. Gonads. Nope. Nope. Oh well, I tried. Skin bone. Shin bone. Nope. It generates protein in a cell. Nope. This gland produces tears. Nope. Bone located at the base of the spine. Jesus. Skip. System of the body that skin and hair belong to. Skip. This bone comes in last alphabetically. Skip. Food destination. Stomach. This gets filed by a pedicurist. Toenails. Toenail. Incisors and molars. Teeth. Humans can live without this internal organ. Appendix? Nope. Humans can live without this internal organ. No. Oh, gallbladder? No. Skip. Mucus. Something leg. Skip. What the nose and ears are made of. Skip. Important muscle for breathing. Skip. Muscular strength. Skip. Another term for tetanus. Lockjaw. Right. Okay. Organ that produces insulin. That's not our liver. Oh my gosh, what is it? Oh my gosh, I'm thinking I'm gonna be so stupid now. What is it? Skip. Latin for little brain. Skip. Outermost layer of skin. Don't know. These foot bones. No. Another name for facial hair. Part of the brain resembles a seahorse. Hip. No. Chest muscle major. Alternate term for testicle. Shin bone. Connected to the knee bone. Generates protein in a cell. Rib. No. Tears. Tear duct. Nope. I'm gonna give up. Painful. Ah! Oh, I'm so annoyed. The pancreas is the organ that produces insulin. Latin for little brain is the cerebellum. Outermost layer of skin, epidermis. I was close. These foot bones connect to the toes, metatarsals. Another name for facial hair, whiskers. This part of the brain resembles a seahorse. Hippocampus. Chest muscle major, pectoralis. Alternate term for testicle, testes. Shin bone is the tibia, generates protein in a cell. Ribosome, the gland produces tears. Lacrimal, bone located at the base of the spine, the sacrum. System of the body that skin and hair belongs to. Integumentary. This bone comes in last alphabetically, zygomatic. Humans can live without this internal organ, the spleen. Mucus is phlegm. What the nose and ears are made of, cartilage. Important muscle for breathing, diaphragm. Muscular strength, bone. Oh, right. Well, I got 30% there. Not too proud of myself. I could have done a bit better. But I was panicking a bit, and I was kind of feeling a bit embarrassed for not knowing some of these quite easily. But it's all good. Let's move on to the next quiz. All right, hidden animal. Can you fill in the names of the animals depicted, then unscramble the circled letters to find the hidden animal? Let's try. That's the elephant. That's the kangaroo. That's the lemur. That's a dolphin. Dolphin. That's a horse. That's a cheetah. All right, so N-R-O, N-R-O, R-O-I-S-E-C-H. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Yes. Rhinoceros. Yes! 100%. I'm amazing now. Who cares about anything? I'm awesome. Let's move on to the next one. Order of extinction. Oh, great, another ordering one. Can you put the creatures in order of when they became extinct? Okay. The woolly mammoth. Wasn't that one of the first ones? Or was that later? Okay, it was later. Great. Okay. So, it would have been... Okay. The trilobite. The Pexels, the Stegosaurus, yeah. Sure. Cool. Darn it. Is it like this? Ooh, I'm good. Okay. Like this? Yes. Like that. No. And it was this. The dodo? Really? Yes! Woo! I'm amazing! 60%, 6 out of 10. So it was 251 million BC, trilobite. 150 million, Stegosaurus. 65 million, Tyrannosaurus rex. 40,000, Neanderthal man. 8,000, Smilodon. 2,000, woolly mammoth. 1662, the dodo. 1914, the passenger pigeon. 1936, Thylacine. And 2011, the western black rhinoceros. Okay, I should have had that one before. I would have known how to spell rhinoceros right away. But not bad. Pretty proud of myself for getting the orders at least this time. Let's move on to the next one. All right, the one with the planets. Great. Can you pick the 8 planets of our solar system if they had Friends-inspired names? Sure, play. The one with the great red spot. Oh, frig. I'll skip it. The brightest one, as measured in apparent magnitude. Skip that one. The one with all the rings, Jupiter. The Saturn. Ah! The one everyone lives, Earth. The red one, Mars. The one at a blah 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 angle, skip. The one furthest from the sun. That would be under Neptune. Did I run out of time? Bastards. Jupiter's the one with the great red spot. Mercury is the 88-day years. Saturn's the one with all the rings. Uranus is the 97.77 degree angle. And Venus is the brightest one. Well, I'm glad you guys know about that since I ran out of time super bleepin' fast. Let's move on to our final one. Match up inventors' inventions. Can you match the inventions to each inventor? Play the quiz. The light bulb. Sure, Thomas Edison. The telephone. Alexander Graham Bell. The refrigerator. Nope. The radio. Nope. The basketball. Nope. Did I get these two right? Great. The fridge. Marconi. Oh dear. I actually don't know, and this is going to be embarrassing, actually. So I'm just going to give up. That way we can just figure out ourselves, since I'm not great at ordering things. I know it's a bit of a cop-out. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. Fred W. Wolfe was the refrigerator. The radio was Guglielmo Marconi. The skateboard was Bill Richards. The basketball was James Naismith. Air conditioner was Willis Carrier. The fidget spinner was Catherine Hedinger. The pendulum clock was Christiane Huygens. And the elevator was Elisha Graves Otis. Well, and there you have it. All right then. And there you have it. That was just some science quizzes. You know what? Overall, I could have done a lot better. I kind of was giving up a bit near the end because I just was like feeling a bit down about me not knowing certain things. But you know what? Overall, I'm quite proud of the science knowledge that I do know. And I find it interesting how some things you just automatically know because general knowledge or what you remember, but other things you just don't actually know unless you actually remember them or do research or study them. But overall, quite proud of myself. I hope you are too, and proud of yourself. And let me know how you did down in the comments below. But until next time, I hope you have a lovely day. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!